Hello, this video is to show you how to access your curriculum. So first you can go to the website amplify.com, and on the top right you'll see a little login button. You can click on that. And this will show you all the different products that we have. You want to scroll down till you get to Amplify ELA, and then you can click login there. Then it will take you to this login page, and you're going to click the third option, Login with Amplify, and let me show you your login information. For your username, it will be amplifytexasteacher@tryamplify.net, and your password will be amplify1. The A in amplify is capital, the N in the word number is capital, amplify1. And then once you put all that information in, it'll take you to this main page, and this page will show you how to access all of your instructional materials. So this is taking us straight to 7th grade, but if you wanted to switch to a different grade level, you can click this caret right here. You can switch between the grade levels that way. So let's go to 8th grade. These are all of your units. There are 9 units for each grade level. Let's say we wanted to click on this unit, Science and Science Fiction. It's going to take you to a list of subunits. So this has 4 subunits. If we wanted to click on subunit 2, writing an essay, it has 5 lessons in that subunit. Down here at the bottom is the subunit overview. So let's go ahead and click on lesson 4. Now this is the actual lesson page that you'll be using each day. You can see down through the bottom, this is the overview. You have all your materials here. It tells you what you'll need to prepare, what your objective is, your vocabulary words. And then up at the top, as you go across, you see these numbers here. These are your activity cards. So at one point in this lesson, you're identifying a counter argument. This will be your teacher instructional guide. And then down at the bottom, this is what your students will be seeing. You can scroll through these activity cards this way. Take a look through some of your units. At any point, if you want to get back to the subunit, you can click here. To the main unit, you can click here. Or to the overview of all the different units for all the different grades, you can click that there. Now that's how you can look through your curriculum and look through your units and lessons. Up here on the top left is a global navigation tool. If you click these 3 lines, it takes you through a whole bunch of our different apps that we have available. Every day you'll start out with vocabulary, so you may want to look through that vocabulary app. These are the quests, so you might want to look through some of the quests. Each grade level has a quest. So these are some great tools that we'll be using. Up here on the top, there is the library feature. If you click on library, it gives you access to over 700 books. Full-length books that your students will be able to read. You can search the library by genre, or you can search by Lexile level, or you can search for a specific book. There are also novel guides the teachers can use to help the students work through some of these materials. So that library has quite a bit for you. If you go back to the global navigation tool, there's also this classwork feature. If you click on that, you'll be able to give feedback to your students. There are different daily writing prompts. There's nothing loaded now because you don't have any students, but you'll be able to see your students' portfolios, and you can change the levels and differentiate so they get extra supports. And then back to the global navigation tool, there's also this reporting feature. This is once you do have your students' grades in, you'll be able to take a look at their grades and see it based on charts and data. Then you can kind of target what your students need based on this information. So this reporting app is really excellent. And then the last thing you'll want to use is in the global navigation tool. All the way down at the bottom, there's this help page. This will be extremely beneficial if you go to Amplify ELA. There's all sorts of great information for you. Vocabulary, lesson brief, novel guides, some of the assessment features. So there's a lot of information for you there. So again, here's how you'll get through all the curriculum, units, subunits, lessons, and activity cards. Enjoy!